Clouds hanging low, heavy on my chest. Drift through the fog, don't know if I'm blessed. Each step I take, lost in the mist. Searching for meaning, clenched up fist. Shadows whisper secrets never told. Fleeting moments, time starts to fold. Broken pieces of myself I find, guided by echoes left behind. Between the cracks light tries to break. Hearts a drum, tremble and quake. Longing for solace in this night so fast. Through the haze, memories cast. Memories cast. Starlit dreams dancing in the void. Fragile hopes easily destroyed. Touch the flame that burns within. Drowning fears, embracing sin. Silent screams no one hears. Trapped inside, facing fears. Reach for a hand that's never there. In the darkness, learn to care. Between the cracks, light tries to break. Hearts a drum, tremble and quake. Longing for solace in this night so fast.